So guys, it's time to start the introduction round of all these supermodels और शुरुआत करते हैं उनसे जो है हम सबकी फेवरेट, द ब्यूटी ऑफ ग्वालियर, जिनको देखकर उन्हें सुष्मिता सेन का टैग दिया था हमारे मास्टर पवनलता जोशी ने। So please welcome the beautiful Siddhi Suri.
Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Hello respective judges and everyone present here. Myself Siddhi Suri. I am 11 years old, young girl, belong to the city which is not only known for its historical dynasty but also known for its musical culture, Gwalior. My hobbies are acting, modeling, dancing and singing. My strength is to work hard. The motto in my life is to become a successful model and actor in my life, and my aim is to become Miss Universe. I want to thank India's Talent Fight ITF that they have selected me in this pageant and in the grand finale, and I want to thank my mentors and my parents too because they support me very much. Friends and judges, it is not easy for my parents to support me, whether it is time, money or energy. They always stood by me. I am too thankful to be their daughter and too proud. At last but not least, I want to say that and give a message to parents, those who not support their child, that you have also to support your child, that like my parents supports me, because when their dreams will come true, you will be a proud parent. And I want to give a short speech which I have wrote for my mother. माँ की परछाई हूँ मैं, माँ की परछाई हूँ मैं, हर दिल पर छाई हूँ मैं। माँ की परछाई हूँ मैं, हर दिल पर छाई हूँ मैं। आँखों का तारा चमकता है जैसे, आँखों का तारा चमकता है जैसे, चमकती है खुशियाँ तारों के जैसे। नई खुशियों का मान रखती हूँ मैं, अपनी माँ का ध्यान रखती हूँ मैं। नई खुशियों का मान रखती हूँ मैं, अपनी माँ का ध्यान रखती हूँ मैं। कभी तो मंजिल मिलेगी मुझे भी, कभी तो मंजिल मिलेगी मुझे भी, ऐसी चाह रखती हूँ। माँ की परछाई हूँ मैं, हर दिल पर छाई हूँ मैं। थैंक यू।